It's the time of year where it gets extra cold and chilly outside. So here are some tips and tricks to lower your energy bill this winter. Give your HVAC system a little TLC. Make sure your heating system is up to running to its peak performance. Schedule your regular checkups for your heating system. You're going to want to replace your furnace and heating filters once a month. Don't set it and forget it. This is a time where you're going to be cranking up the heat on your thermostat. Invest in a smart thermostat. These thermostats can be programmed according to your everyday schedule. So if you're gone and you're leaving the home a long period of time, whether it's to work or just grocery shopping, you can set your thermostat down for the time that you are away from the home, and you can then program it to where it will turn up the heat while you're home and sleeping. The next tip, get some sun. During the day, wherever the sun is setting on your house, you're going to want to open up the blinds and curtains to let that natural warmth in your home. It's also that time of year where you're going to be decking the halls. Make sure to replace your holiday lights with energy efficient LED lights. You're also going to want to maybe invest in a space heater. Use this tip cautiously, because if you are overusing your space heater, you can actually rack up your energy bill even more. Purchase 1 or 2 space heaters and place them in an area that you occupy the most in your home. Your living room, your family room, your bedroom. Use it sparingly to keep you warm, but it is also a great way to not have to turn up the heat on your entire home. I hope you find these tips and tricks helpful. Happy holidays.